बिकॉज नाव यू आर गिवींग मी 6:30 तुम्ही म्हाका येवन नोटीस दिता आनी येना जाल्यार अरेस्ट करतले म्हणटा म्हणजे ही दादागिरी आनी धमकी न्ही. लास्ट संडे म्हाका बेल दिवन आतां श्युरिटी दिवन 10,000ची 8 वर्साची केस राम नाम सत्य म्हणून हर्ट फेल्ले म्हणटा तुमी सेंटिमेंट आनी सुभाष वेलिंगकरान जे इतले लाख गोंयकाराचे सेंटिमेंट हर्ट केले तेका तुमी सुसेगाद सोडलेलो आसा.
समाज कार्यकर्ता ॲडव्होकेट प्रतिमा कुतिनो आणि तांचे पती काँग्रेस नेते सावियो कुतिनो हांगा क्रिसमस सणासुदीच्या काळात फातोर्डा पुलिसांनी समन्स जारी केले. आदले RSS मुखेली सुभाष वेलिंगकर हांणी सान फ्रांसिस झेवियर हांचेर केल्ल्या वक्तव्या उपरांत तांच्या अटकेची मागणी करत जे आंदोलन केल्ले त्या आंदोलना संबंधान आपल्याचेर सुमार 12-13 सेक्शन्स लायिल्ल्याचे ॲडव्होकेट प्रतिमा सांगतात. मात ह्या प्रकरणात फक्त आमकांच समन्स कित्याक? हेर BJPचे नेते तसेच मडगांव नगरपालिकेचे सदस्य लेगीत आंदोलन करताले. तांचेर कित्याक गुन्यांव दाखल करूं ना? तांकां कित्याक चौकशे खातीर आपोवना अशे जायते प्रश्न सावियो कुतिनो हांणी केल्या. सरकार आनी पोलीस आपल्या सोयी प्रमाण BJPच्या नेत्यांचेर गुन्यांव नोंद करूं ना अशें सावियो म्हणटात. राज्यात जॉब स्कॅम, लँड स्कॅम आनी हेर जायते मुखेल प्रश्न आसात. मात सरकार फक्त आपल्याक टार्गेट करता. इतकी कसली घाई जाल्ली? क्रिसमस सोंपता म्हणसर पुलिसांक रावंक जायनाशिल्ले अशे प्रश्न ॲडव्होकेट प्रतिमा करतात. त्याच प्रमाण ह्या सगळ्या वयल्यान एकूच सिद्ध जाता की सरकार हुकुमशाही पद्दतीन काम करता म्हण ॲडव्होकेट प्रतिमा म्हणटात.
Not expected, or I can say who were not welcomed, but unexpected guests who came to my place, and they were from Margaon Town Police. Again, police van comes to my house. I 6:30 was around 6:30. I see some police van coming, some neighbors coming and telling me police are at your door. And when I opened the door, I see some police coming. There was this police officers. There was one lady who was sent to me, and the police went out. A police went outside my house. And when I questioned them, what is this about now? Because just last week on Sunday, prior to the Christmas Eve, prior to that, I was arrested on a Sunday where you don't get a bail. We can understand it is all done pure out of to harass me. But today the police comes and says this is a notice. This is a notice. Say police on 26th are mark kelia, that is today. And they are telling me tomorrow morning at 9 o'clock we have to be to the Fatorda police station. And the notice says it is under section 35 into bracket 3 of BNSS. Now I don't know kitle valde criminal zala Pratima and why this harassment is on. And this notice is not only served to me. The cops came and even gave the notice to my husband Saviyo Coutinho, who was out, but my son Pratham Coutinho received the copy on his behalf and signed it. And the copy is regarding this matter is regarding, if they wanted, they could have called us earlier also, maybe after New Year, whatever, but they chose the BJP government and the police department, I don't know why, but they out to that level, इतल्या लेवलाचेर आयल्या that Christmas season आमचो क्रिस्तांवाचो एक आमचो धर्मीक आमचो जेजूचो जल्मल्लो हें तो season, and we celebrated with great joy and pomp. I had called guests at home. They were guests for the tea party, and there was so much of excitement. And then police came and the mood was off. इतले दुखता आयज कित्याक हांव कांय व्हडलें क्रिमिनल न्ही, पूण नोटिसीस आयल्यो म्हाका आनी गोवाक आनी सेक्शन लायल्या. दिस इज रिगार्डिंग दॅट सुभाष वेलिंगकर हू हॅड रियली हर्ट द सेंटिमेंट्स ऑफ अ लिविंग सेंट, दॅट इज सेंट फ्रांसीस झेवियर. आमचो पेट्रनाक कितें कितें म्हणिल्लें तें मडें ताजेर DNA करपाक जाय. आनी you all know what it was and how many. Today I can say there are lakhs of more than 15 lakhs people who have come for the exposition, and they are attending his exposition during that time and Jesus' time, when he's born. I get this notice, and this is notice says that the powers conferred under section म्हाका लायल्या सुमार 12 माय सेक्शन लायल्या. सेक्शन 35 of 1 लायला of BNNS, आनी मागीर परतून घातला FI नंबर म्हाका दिल्या 100/24 अंडर सेक्शन 189 into bracket 2 into bracket 3 into bracket 5. मागीर सेक्शन 285 लायला, मागीर सेक्शन 223 AB लायला, सेक्शन 126 2 लायला into bracket, सेक्शन 125 324 into 1 लायला, section 132, section 115 into bracket 2 written with section 191 of 2 of Bharatiya Sanhita, and my 2023 section 8B laila mujher National Highway Act laila, and section 92 of Rights of Persons with Disabilities Act 2016 laila. And well and sangla that you have to be present tomorrow at the Fathoda police station, and you have to appear before us at the police station on 27th 12 2024 at 9 o'clock in the morning for investigation at Fathoda police station, failing of which necessary action shall be taken against you म्हणून सांगला. आणि लास्ट इन कॅपिटल घातिल्लें आसा की failure to attend comply with the terms of this notice can render you liable for an arrest ही म्हाका under section 35 into bracket 6 of BNNS. आतां म्हाका विचारूंक जाय पुलीस स्टेशन हे म्हाका फातोडा साकून धाडलां, रातचे 6:30 आयल्या पुलीस 7:30 गेल्या आनी सकाळीं 9 पाव म्हणलां. दिस इज अ फेस्टीव सीजन. I had other commitments also of going out for dinner, but which I have cancelled now because we have to be at the police station, me and my husband Savio. I feel there are a lot of problems in Goa. Like तुम्ही पळयलां आसतलें सिद्दीकी सुलेमानाचे आतां सारकें वायरल जाल्लें आसा. एक क्रिमिदोर इतलो व्हडले क्रायम केल्ले आसा, ताचेर इतले सेक्शन आसा, तो पुलिसा साकून ताका पुलिसूच भायर काडटात, ताका हुबली पावयतात, परतून हाडटात, ताका इतले हें आसा दॅट ही कॅन टॉक फ्रॉम द पुलीस स्टेशन, ही कॅन रिमूव विडियोज. Secondly, you can see सांकवाळ when I was agitating for that Bhutani, थंय तीग जाणांचेर आमी मॅटर घातलो दॅट दे हॅड इन्स्टॉल कॅमेराज, तांचेर एफआयआर आसा, तांकां धरपाक मेळना पुलिसांनी जस्ट बिकॉज आय एम अ लॉ अबायडिंग सिटीजन. लँड ग्रॅबिंगाची केसीस आसा, जॉब स्कॅमाचे आसा, ते बेलेचेर भायर आसा. प्रतिमान कितें म्हूण वायट केलां जस्ट बिकॉज आय स्पीक अँड फायट फॉर गोवा अँड गोवन्स, अँड दिस इज द फ्रूट आय गेट फॉर स्टँडिंग फॉर सेंट फ्रान्सिस झेवियर. अरे इट इज नॉट मी, this case is not, FIR is not from me. I'm telling this is on lakhs of Goans who believe in Francis गोंयचो साहेब. आयज गोंयांत फक्त भारताचे लोक येवना, इंडियाचे लोक येवना, सबंद वर्ल्डाचे लोक आयिल्ले हू आर बिलींग इन हिम. एंड हांव हें काडटा आनी न्ही जेजू आनी सेंट फ्रान्सीस झेवियर जो आमचो पेटर्न आसा पळय ताजे पांया कडेन सोडटा. या दिस इज नॉट द वे टू हॅरेस अ पर्सन. अरे इट इज ऑलमोस्ट आय थिंक इट्स ऑलमोस्ट 11 o'clock I have to do this video because it has hurt me. बिकॉज नाव यू आर गिवींग मी 6:30 तुम्ही म्हाका येवन नोटीस दिता आनी येना जाल्यार अरेस्ट करतले म्हणटा. म्हणजे दादागिरी आनी धमकी न्ही. लास्ट संडे म्हाका बेल दिवन आतां श्युरिटी दिवन 10,000ची 8 वर्सांची केस राम नाम सत्य म्हणून हर्ट फेडले म्हणटा तुमी सेंटिमेंट. आनी सुभाष वेलिंगकरान जे इतले गोंयकाराचे सेंटिमेंट हर्ट केले तेका तुमी सुसेगाद सोडलेलो आसा, तेका तुमी अरेस्ट करूं ना. आमी फक्त मागिल्ले तेजी अरेस्ट, ताजेर एफआयआर करचे म्हणून. वयल्यान तो येता सुसेगाद 3-4 दिसांनी आणि तो VIP ट्रिटमेंट घेता, ट्रिटमेंट घेवन वता, ताजेर एकूच सेक्शन आयला BNSचें. सो फाल्यां वतलें बिकॉज आय एम अ लॉ अबायडिंग सिटीजन. आय हॅव स्टडीड लॉ, आय एम लॉ अबायडिंग. आय विल गो, I will see that, I will attend the police station. I know it is going to be an investigation for us. I will comply with all. My husband also is coming, but this is not. I only want to tell Goans, please keep me in prayers because this is something very bad which is under section of 35 into bracket 3 BNS जायला म्हणून. आणि बायलाच्या घरात हेज्या पयले देखून म्हज्या घरांत सांजचे 7:30-8 पुलीस येयल्ले आसा समन मायनर म्हणून. मागीर आमी ताका प्रूफ दिले, आधार कार्ड, इलेक्शन कार्ड सगळें, तेन्ना ते गेले. सो रातचे येतात. यू कॅनॉट कम टू अ वुमन्स हाऊस विदाउट वॉरंट or any notice or without a copy of complainant. You cannot come on Sunday. You all came Sunday to my place, arrested me, sort of put me, humiliated me, put me in the police jeep and took me like a criminal in the police station, kept me till 5 o'clock till I got a bail. And today this is it. But I know that my Jesus and friend Francis Xavier, काल आमचो क्रिसमस जालो आसा. वी आर इन टू व्हेरी होली वीक. This is not the way. I know my Jesus and St. Francis Xavier's blessings and lakhs of Goans. You all also, I'm telling you all, please keep me in prayers. I'm going tomorrow. I'm gonna comply. I'm gonna abide because I'm a law-abiding citizen. हे सगळ्यांक सांगता. ह्या म्हाका आयज व्हिडिओ करपाक पडलो ह्या टायमार रातच्या 11 कित्याक सांगपाक तुका दिस इज हाव आय बीन हॅरेस्ड फॉर वॉयसिंग आउट अगेन्स्ट द रॉंग. And the one who has done wrong, he is Susegad. Subhash Velinkar is Susegad sitting there. They were good.
मेन सांगपा म्हणल्यार फातोडा पुलीस स्टेशन येवपाक कारण म्हणल्यार आमकां एक नोटीस आयली अंडर सेक्शन 35 की आमी फातोडा पुलीस स्टेशनाक प्रेजेंट जावपाक. एंड दिस इज वीथ रिगार्ड टू द प्रोटेस्ट वीच वी हॅड ऑन अकाउंट ऑफ द अटरन्सीस ऑफ सुभाष वेलिंकर एगेन्स्ट आवर पेट्रन सेंट फ्रान्सिस झेवियर. आणि इनफॅक्ट इट वॉज अ व्हेरी शॉर्ट नोटीस इफ यू गो टू सी. कित्याक काल सांजची 7 सुमार पावले ते आमचे कडेन घरा कडेन आनी आज 9 पाव म्हण सांगलें आमकां. बट एज लॉ अबायडिंग सिटीजन्स इट इज पार्ट ऑफ द इन्वेस्टिगेशन प्रोसेस. सो वी हॅव कम टू रिकॉर्ड आवर स्टेटमेंट. इट इज व्हेरी एस्टॉनिशिंग टू सी दॅट total 11 sections have been imposed on this protest that I held. 9 under the BNS, 1 section of the National Highway, and 1 section of 92 rights to persons with disabilities act म्हणून तो एक सेक्शन लायला. आणि हितून भितर सेक्शन 191 घातला, that is of rights. आतां सपोज आमी रायट्स केल्या जाल्यार हू इन्सायटेड दीज रायट्स सुभाष वेलिंगकर बाय द दिसींग सो तेजे ते सेक्शन कांयच ना तेजे एक सेक्शनाचेर तो बरो सुटलो सामको VIP ट्रिटमेंट दिवन बट नेवर द लेस सी वी आर सपोज टू डिफेंड वॉट एवर चार्जेस आर मेड देर आर कोर्ट्स ऑफ लॉ which will decide what is right and what is wrong. So I have recorded my statement. And secondly, if you go to see, apart from us, apart from the common man, and all the 500 people whosoever names have been recorded, there were BJP leaders also, like Manohar Asgaonkar, Baba Asgaonkar, Margao municipal councillors, Milagrina Dias, Camilo Barreto, so many others were there. But somehow their names are not figuring. So this is a clear indication that this is a politically motivated case in the first place. And to target us basically, the BJP government, all said and done, would never want somebody who raises their voice against the wrongdoings of this government. And this is part of their plan. And I don't just suspect, but I would like to make a charge that this particular case is orchestrated or scripted at Malbat, Margao, by the government of Margao. Because this case has been registered at Patoda police station. Though the incident, whatever protests had taken place, had been initiated from Margao. It was only partly in Patoda, but somehow it is registered in Patoda. So it is very clear that it is under his instruction, and somehow he doesn't want to show that he is involved. We have seen पयलें ताका गॉट इनॉग्रेशन करपा वयता कोणा आमची कॅथलिका इगोर्जी आल्तारा मुखार फोटो काडटा सो हें सगळें तो दाखोवपा सोदता पूण फाटल्यान कितें करता हें आख्या गोंयकारांक खबर आसा सो कितलें केलें म्हण जायना तें.
Are you hinting that there is biasness in the way police has initiated this investigation with respect to charges or with respect to people whom they have charged?
Yeah, 100%. There is bias. There is no doubt about it, first of all. Because the people, and the thousands of people who gathered for the protest had only gone to demand and question the police why an FIR was not registered against the person who gave such nasty statements and tried to create communal disharmony in the society. But nothing was done even after 4 days. So this is what they had gone to protest. But in spite of demand, such a huge demand from the general public, nothing was done. He was given a VIP treatment, a green channel for that matter. And whereas the protesters have been charged with so many sections, which is a clear indication that there is bias in fact.